From Eco-Lodge to Eco-Lodge. Traveling along a long trail. Minakami, an environmentally rich and water-abundant area designated as a UNESCO Biosphere Reserve. Then, cross the mountains on the border of two prefectures. The destination is the region of Uonoma, Japan's #1 rice-growing region, fed by the abundant snowmelt. From Eco-Lodge to Eco-Lodge. It is a journey along the Snow Country Trail in the rich, water-abundant environment of Yukiguni. Connecting community to community, person to person, forging a future together. The Snow Country Trail.